Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll share with you guys my unboxing and my full video review of the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 AMD, so keep watching. First, let's start with the unboxing. Now the laptop comes in a brown shipping colored box with the Lenovo logo in the middle. On the right, you'll first find the Lenovo digital pen. Next, there is the 3-pin cord and the 65-watt power adapter which connects via USB-C. Then on the left, you'll find the laptop itself. Now let's look at the specs. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 is powered up to the latest AMD Ryzen 7 4000 series mobile processor and offers you excellent all-round performance, graphics, productivity, all in a flexible device. It also has the integrated AMD Radeon graphics with 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM and 256 gigs of M.2 SSD NVMe storage. Now the laptop comes in 3 different colors for you guys to choose from here in Malaysia. The one which I have is called the light teal and is also available in platinum grey and graphite grey. Now looking at the laptop's design and build, it comes with a very unique fabric-like paint to give its inner surface a classy finish. And I like the fact that because of its finish, it does not attract any fingerprints or oils from your fingers, and the laptop is built all-around toughness and can surpass strict rigorous tests, so the laptop will protect and keep your files safe at any environment. So yes, with this in mind, it is surely built for content creators or university students, as the laptop is quite thin and light for its features and of course the price, weighing at only 1.5 kgs, making it easy to bring it on the go. Then looking towards below on the keyboard area, first of all the typing experience was great, where it had a nice tactile feel on the keyboard. And the keyboard is also backlit enabled, and there's also the fingerprint scanner over there which unlocks fast as expected for great security. And the trackpad also had just the right amount of size with a slightly taller aspect to easily reach towards the top when navigating, and the build was great and it did not have any wobble of sorts, and the click felt very responsive indeed. Then looking at the laptop spots, looking on the left, there is the power adapter port, a HDMI port which can support up to a 4K external display, which was sweet, a USB-C port, and this is a 3.1 port which you could also use to charge the laptop, and also an audio jack. Then on the right there is 2 USB-A 3.1 port and SD card slot. So yes, you don't have to live the dongle life. And you'll find a power button over there as well. Now I have to be honest that I prefer the power button to be over here as opposed to typically being just next to the delete key like most laptops out right now. Maybe that is just me, but I can appreciate that. Now as for the screen, it is a 14-inch laptop which comes with the FHD Plus advanced display technology with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels with a TN twisted pneumatic 220 nits of glossy screen. Then the screen is also fitted with a nice narrow bezels on 4 of the sides with a near borderless display, and on top of the screen you'll find a 720p camera equipped with a privacy shutter. Now the laptop has a 10-point multi-touch screen with the ability to multi-mode the device from its very durable and sturdy hinge, which is a 360-degree hinge, such as the laptop mode, the tent mode, the stand mode, the tablet mode, and since it comes inside of the box, the screen also supports the Lenovo digital pen to write on the screen. Now when it comes to color reproduction, it is about 65% sRGB, so it may not be exactly super color accurate to do those precise color grading and all, where for me with this kind of price range, I felt it was totally fine because this laptop is catered towards multitasking and video consumption. But of course you can use the laptop with an external display if you do wish to do some professional work, for example color grading on DaVinci Resolve. Now as for audio, the laptop has an upward firing stereo speakers with Dolby Audio certification, and because of its size, it had quite a decent loudness and obviously not so bass heavy, but it had a right amount of balance when it comes to the overall mids and highs, and the overall sound was great when it comes to music listening and video consumption as well. And here is a quick sound test.
I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down.
Now in terms of software, it is shipped with Windows 10 Home 64 with the option to upgrade to Windows Pro, and it also comes with Microsoft Office Home Student 2019 worth 529 ringgit, and the overall usage of the laptop daily was really great without any issues. From opening a bunch of softwares to multiple Chrome tabs was a breeze, since the specs of the laptop speak for itself. Now I'm not much of a gamer, but do let me know what kind of games you want me to test on the laptop at the comment section below, and I'll test them and I'll revert back at the comment section below. Now as for the laptop's battery, it has an integrated 3-cell lithium polymer 52.5 watt battery with a rapid charge feature which requires only 1 hour of charging to fuel the laptop up to 80%, promising up to 11 hours of FHD 1080p video playback, where I got about 9 hours of using the laptop for spreadsheets, watching videos and playing some music as well, so that was great to know. Now in conclusion, I feel that if you guys are looking for a great 2-in-1 laptop solution which has great battery life, great for multitasking, especially with the flexible mode screen, which also has a touchscreen experience as well, then yes, this laptop is surely a no-brainer for you all to go ahead and get it. With this price point, it is surely an easy choice, especially for younger millennials to go out and purchase a laptop with ease. As for the price here in Malaysia, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 AMD, it is starting at an amazing price of 2,401.52 cents, and I'll leave links down below for you guys to get one. So guys, with this, do let me know if you have any questions to ask about the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 AMD down at the comment section below, and I'll revert back over there as well. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful in making your purchase decision, and if you did, be sure to give this video one of these. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. My name is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. And it also comes in Microforce.